An AI singer is a virtual singer that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to produce songs and music. These AI singers are created using deep learning techniques, which enable them to learn from a large amount of music data and generate original music that sounds like it was created by a human singer. One of the most popular AI singers is Hatsune Miku, a virtual pop star developed by Crypton Future Media. Hatsune Miku is a 16-year-old girl with turquoise hair who performs songs using Vocaloid software, which uses machine learning to synthesize singing based on a database of pre-recorded vocals. Hatsune Miku has gained a large following in Japan and around the world, with her concerts selling out and her songs topping the charts. Fans can even create their own songs and music videos using Hatsune Miku's voice and image. Another notable AI singer is Amper Music, an AI music composition platform that allows users to create original music using AI-generated melodies and rhythms. Amper Music has been used by a variety of musicians and artists to create original music for films, commercials, and other projects. While AI singers and AI-generated music have their critics who argue that they lack the emotional depth and creativity of human musicians, they also have the potential to democratize music creation and allow anyone to create their own original music without the need for traditional musical training or expensive equipment. Overall, AI singers and AI-generated music are an exciting development in the world of music and entertainment, and it will be interesting to see how they continue to evolve and impact the music industry in the years to come.